Hey everyone, it's Gary from CloudNet 360, and today I want to help you make some better videos. Now there is always this debate when people talk about the length of a video. And some people would say length doesn't matter, and some people will say you have to keep it below a certain level, like 2 minutes or 30 seconds, or you pick a level and someone will say you have to keep it below that level. Now me, on the other hand, I say length doesn't matter at all. Except when you have multiple topics. So what I want you to think about isn't how long your video is, but I want you to think about how many topics are in your video. So if you're teaching someone how to do something, teach them one thing at a time. Don't teach them how to do this, and then that, and then that, and then that, and then that. Teach them one thing, and if you want to teach them 5, 6, 8 different things, then make a playlist and chop it up into 6 individual videos. So 6 topics, 6 videos. Now again, I don't care how long that video is. It could be a 45-minute video, it could be an hour-and-a-half video, it can be a 30-second video. But what I want you to think about are topics, the topic count, because when you give someone 6 topics and they like topic number 3 and they think, oh yeah, I want to bookmark that, I want to come back to that. Let's say I'm teaching people how to tie a fishing line or a hook, or whatever it is you're teaching them, they're going to come back to that some point in the future. And when you put 6 topics or 8 topics into one video, they can never find what it is they're looking for, or they have to go through too much and they give up. So very quick tip, 1 topic per video. Don't worry about the length. Just make sure that you don't put too many topics in the same video, because it makes it too hard for people to get back to it. This is Gary with CloudNet 360 giving you a quick marketing tip, helping you sell more faster. Bye now.